Welcome back. We are here today to talk about MOMO because they have earnings on Thursday and you should buy calls. God, can you imagine if I actually put the play in the beginning of the video? Would you even trust that? I mean, that could actually be the play though. Well, now that I've mind f***ed you into watching the video, let's get started. MOMO is like if you took Facebook, Instagram, and Twitch, rolled them all into one, and then didn't let anybody post anything because it's Chinese. In general, the company sees pretty solid year-over-year revenue and earnings growth, and consistently beats EPS estimates. I mean, at least we think they do. Chinese companies pretty much make this shit up. But that all changed with the arrival of the COVID pandemic, resulting in MOMO's first quarter of revenue contraction. After which, bears pretty much feasted on MOMO, and MOMO has yet to recover despite the performance of its American counterparts. All that, and MOMO low-key has a super bullish put-to-call ratio. There's never any guarantees in trading, but damn the setup here is good. The verdict here has to be calls. I'm going for either a 21 call or a 22, with an expiration on 9/4. As far as an alternate play goes, you could do a call debit spread, but don't ever sell puts on a Chinese company. Now, finally, if you're looking for a good broker, good source of stock market news, or a good source of options flow, check the links down below. That's it for the MOMO play. Good luck, guys. Make some money.